Get ready to be amazed. See this. Get ready amazed because this is officially taking over the internet. If you love cool items, stick around for a moment. If you highly value smart solutions, you already know that it performs flawlessly. It is crafted specifically to make your life much smoother. What makes this so unique compared to ordinary items is that it delivers outstanding results instantly. No more wasting your hard-earned money on things that break after 2 days. This piece is built tough, highly efficient, and super simple to operate. It is clearly a complete game changer for anyone trying to upgrade their current setup. Demand is extremely high for this right now. Make sure you don't miss this opportunity right this second. Get ready to be amazed. See this. Get ready amazed because this is officially taking over the internet. If you love cool items,